Let's dive into the fascinating world of turtles. With around 320 species worldwide, these creatures can be found in various habitats. Their shells are made up of the carapace and plastron. They have a unique connection to their shells, which are part of their skeletal system. This makes them sensitive to pain when injured. The ability to withdraw into their shells varies. Some can fully retract, while others, like snapping turtles, have exposed body parts. It takes 8 to 20 years for freshwater species to reach maturity. This slow growth rate highlights the importance of conservation. That's all for today, folks. Till next time, stay curious.